Think you know your road signs? Let's put your knowledge to the test. Which sign is this? Slow vehicle. What does this sign mean? Sharp right turn. Can you identify this road sign? School crossing. Do you know the meaning of this sign? Y intersection. What is this traffic sign telling you? U-turn. Have you seen this sign before? What does it mean? Traffic signal ahead. What instruction is this sign giving to drivers? Two-way traffic. Which road rule does this sign represent? Chevron or sharp curve arrows. Guess the road sign. Pedestrian crossing. What warning is this sign giving? Yield sign ahead. This sign appears on the road. What does it mean? Winding road. Guess the sign. Truck rollover. Spot the road sign. Stop sign ahead. Can you guess what this one means? Slippery road. What is the correct interpretation of this road sign? Sharp left turn. You're driving and see this sign. What does it mean? School bus stop. Which road situation is this sign referring to? Railroad crossing. Identify this common traffic sign. Narrow bridge. What safety instruction does this sign give? Roundabout. What does this sign indicate? Maximum clearance. Guess the road sign. Loop. Could you explain the meaning behind this road sign? Livestock. What is this sign trying to tell you? merging traffic. What is the correct name for this sign? Four-way intersection or crossroads. This sign is crucial for road safety. What does it mean? Divided highway begins. Guess the sign. Bike crossing. Guess the meaning of this important traffic sign. Downgrade. Recognize this road sign? What does it stand for? Divided highway ends. What message is this sign sending to drivers? Fire station. What does this sign mean? Farm vehicle. Well done. How many signs did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the challenge, hit that like button and subscribe to the Quiz Ocean for more exciting quizzes and driving tests. Thanks for watching. See you next time, and drive safe.